The WhalesBot C3 Pro Kit serves as an engaging introduction to coding and STEM education for young children aged 4 to 6, offering a fun and stress-free learning experience. This kit allows children to build and control their own robots, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills through interactive play with lights, sounds, and motion. Included in this comprehensive package are 4 storybooks, an activity map, a quick start guide, numerous structural parts, and coding components that encourage independent exploration and learning. The kit's smart technology uses magnetic coding cards and a Bluetooth-connected board to assist children in understanding coding logic and correcting mistakes. Designed with safety in mind, the WhalesBot C3 Pro Kit features smooth-edged blocks and non-hazardous materials, ensuring a safe play environment for young learners. Overall, the kit is a thoughtfully crafted educational tool that combines hands-on robotics with the excitement of learning, providing a rich and rewarding experience for children.